Hi guys, I'm Alaya F and today I'm going to be showing you my top 4 beauty, skin, DIY hacks and tips. So if you do like the way my skin is looking, because I don't have any makeup on now except a little bit of mascara, but if you like the way my skin is looking, then please keep watching, and if you don't like the way my skin is looking, then give me your tips. But anyway, I'm going to show you my top 4 skincare hacks and tips for the Grazia Femina Beauty Carnival. So the first one is great for your lips, especially if you have lips like me that keep getting chapped and need like some moisturization and some exfoliation, which is always good. So what I do for that is I make a sugar and olive oil scrub, which is exactly what the name says it is. It's a sugar and olive oil scrub. So I'm just going to make it for you right now, and then you guys can also do it. And the good part about this is that you can put in a little like dabba sort of thing and like carry it around with you also, and you can just like keep like exfoliating your lips whenever you want. And the good part is it also tastes really nice. I'm going to take some sugar. I've taken some brown sugar here because I don't think we have any other sugar at home. I'm going to just put 1.5 spoons of brown sugar. Then I'm going to take some olive oil, just some normal olive oil. The trick with this is start less and you can always add more. Just know if you add too much of something, you can't take it out. So you'd rather start less and then add more. And to be very, very honest, I don't really know the quantities I add to anything. I sort of just like eyeball it. So I'm going to show you how it's supposed to look, and then based on your quantities, you can adjust it. Okay, olive oil. Ooh, oh no, please don't fall. Some olive oil. What's in? Then you mix. I'm trying to be very civilized, so I'm doing this with a spoon now, otherwise I usually use my hands. To be very honest. Also because it's fun to be like... So it looks a little bit like this. I'll demonstrate this for you guys. So you take just a little bit of it on your finger, like this, and then you just rub it into your lips. I suggest you do this like in your bathroom or something, so it's not like messy. Just rub it. Don't talk when you do it, because otherwise, like me, your sugar is going to fly everywhere. See? So the olive oil is like super moisturizing and nourishing and all that, and the sugar is a very good exfoliator. So it does a nice job. And you can just leave it on and you have a nice sweet taste on your lips. All these hacks are like super easy to do at home as well. Like I think all of you will have all of these ingredients. If not, they're like super easy to even go out and get. They're not like unavailable anywhere or anything. So yeah, that's tip number 1. Tip number 2 is my favorite. I do this all the time. And this works super well for your face or for your body. This is my exfoliating coffee scrub. 3 spoons of coffee. Then 2 spoons of sugar. So both coffee and sugar are great for exfoliation. And coffee is also really good at like tightening your skin and making it look all like firm and all. And I often like to use this because like I get like puffy or like, you know, all of that quite often. So I like to take care of it. Then olive oil, about a spoon. I have too many things in my hands, so I'm just gonna like pour it in. So 1 spoon of honey. Let's do 2 spoons of honey, why not? 2 spoons of honey. So that's what it looks after you mix in the coffee. After you mix in the coffee, the sugar, the olive oil and the honey. And then to top it all off, we will add 2 teaspoons of some milk. 1, 2. You can make it as liquidy or as thick as you want, you know, there's no like real rule to this. And to be very honest, every time I do it, I think it's a little different in consistency. But that's totally fine. It doesn't matter that much. The results are eventually going to be the same. Just make sure like the grainy particles are there, because that's what's going to exfoliate your skin. Okay, it looks a little bit like this now, guys. So yeah, so I'm not gonna put this on my body right now because then I'm gonna have to, you know, like take a shower now and then I'm going to record the other 2 hacks. But I will definitely use this. Don't worry, I'm not wasting it, guys. I don't waste precious coffee. So I will definitely use them. But basically with this scrub, all you have to do is you have to take some of it in your hands after you've already washed your body with your body wash and done all your other little tam-jam, whatever. And then you just take some and you just put your arm out like that, or your leg, or your whatever. And you take it and you just go scrub, 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 scrub. And you just keep moving it like this. So use your whole palm and just like just like scrub it in. And then once you're done with that, just like let it just chill for a bit so it can like soak into your body or whatever, like do all the good things it's meant to do. And then just like rinse it off with like nice warm water. That's it. You'll have very nice glowing, happy, exfoliated skin. My third and my fourth hacks are mainly to do with combating puffiness, which is a problem that I have had quite consistently through my life. And I've always struggled to find ways to really deal with the puffiness. Of course, this coffee scrub is one of them that has always like helped me, you know, get rid of last minute puffiness. Of course, then you drink water and you do all these other great things that are, you know, great at keeping your skin healthy and fresh. But like if you have less time, I found that these 2 tricks work really, really well. And I'm going to show them to you. The third trick is very simply a nice ice water soak. Now there's only ice here. Here's some water. This is now a nice bowl of ice water. And this is especially wonderful to soak your face in if it's in the morning, because it also wakes you up very, very nicely. It wakes your face up, it wakes your skin up, it shuts your pores up, and it nicely tightens your skin, which is always lovely. Makes you also look nice and fresh. I mean, I think some people also take ice and directly put it on their skin, but I don't like doing that because I feel like it burns my skin a little bit, and also it's like extremely unpleasant. And this way you just like put it in and you just like deal with it quickly. Okay, also for this one, I've now grabbed a towel and I've tied my hair because I realized I need to probably do that if I'm going to be doing this for you guys. So you take it and you put your face inside it. We're going to do this. My previously mentioned mascara is also probably going to run once I do this. And then you just keep repeating this like many, many times. So I've done it once and I'm just going to keep doing it, and just try keeping it in for as long as you can. So you guys can do it as many times as you want to or can do it. I have now stopped doing it because I felt very, very silly doing it in my room in front of a camera and just being like, so you guys get the point. Lastly, my last trick, which also has to do with puffiness and all that, is whenever you're having green tea, just take the little tea bag out, put it in a bowl and just put it in the freezer. And then what I do is I take this lovely little tea bag and I just put it all over my face like this. Sort of go over all the parts of my face. And it's great because you're using something that you've already used. There's like, you're like recycling it for good purposes. So like, yeah, and so like you can do this literally anytime you have green tea. So just every time you have green tea, just remember to just take the tea bag out, put it in a bowl, put it in the freezer, take it out of the freezer and put it on your face. And it does wonders for your skin. I found a lot of my hacks by just like going on the internet and finding like, you know, stuff that I thought was cool or stuff that I wanted to try out. And I think just like read up about whatever you're trying out. Even any of these, you know, read it, figure out if it works for your skin. Always try and do a little test patch of whatever you're doing, just so you know all the ingredients agree with you and they won't do you any harm. And then just go for it. Like all of these are so easy. Like you can find all these ingredients at home and you might as well make use of it. So yeah guys, this is the final result. If there's any black here, it's because of that mascara that I mentioned earlier that's now run a little bit. I will not do that the next time I'm recording a video. But yeah, so this is how my skin looks now after I did all those little things that I showed you, and I hope you guys try it and I hope you guys like it, because you know, go home, take care of yourself. All of these are super easy to do. You have no excuse whatsoever. And yeah, all it takes is 5 minutes in a day to take care of yourself with super simple ingredients, super cost effective, super everything. So just, yeah, try it at home and let me know what you thought. Okay, thanks guys, bye.